We are on Chapter 1, page 11. We're going to take a look at 3 problems from this page. We're going to take a look at number 4, number 7, and number 10. Let's take a look at number 4. They're asking us to find the prime factorization of 12. Like we have been doing, we're going to take 12 and break it down into its prime numbers. What times what gives me 12? Okay, well, right off the bat, I know 2 times 6 gives me 12, and 2 is indeed a prime number. Now remember the definition of a prime number. A prime number only has 2 factors, the number 1 and the number itself. 6 is a composite number because 6 has more than one set of factors, and we have 2 times 3. 2 would be a prime number, and 3 would be a prime number. So for number 4, the prime factorization of 12 would be 2 times 2 times 3. And to make it just a little bit quicker, you could write this as 2 squared times 3. And that would be the prime factorization for number 4. Number 7 is a little bit harder, a little bit tougher problem, 225. But once again, you're thinking what times what gives me 225. Now, if you know your quarters, if you have $2.25, how many quarters goes into $2.25? We have 9 quarters. So 9 times 25 gives me 225. 9 is a composite number and 25 is a composite number. So for 9, you have to tell me what times what gives me 9. That would be 3 times 3. 3 is prime. The only way you can get to 3 is if you multiply 3 times 1. 25 would be 5 times 5. 5 is prime and 5 is prime. And if we write this a little bit easier to see, we could go 3 to the second power times 5 to the second power. And that would be your answer for number 7. Finally, number 10. Number 10 actually gives us the prime factorization, and we have to actually find the answer. So all you need to do is work out the problem. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to just cross that out and put down 4. 4 times 5, I just pulled that 5 down. 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm going to pull down a 20, and then I'm going to do 20 times 5. And if you work out 20 times 5, bring down your 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 20 times 5 is 100. So if you have 2 times 2 times 5 times 5, you know the number they have broken down is 100. Just got to be able to fit that on the board.